This video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the adware called strength. While researching scam web pages, we discovered the program called Strength. This is a rogue application. After analyzing this program, we found out that it operates as advertising supported software, or briefly as adware. You can find this adware if you go to the task manager of your computer. You'll see this process called Strength Technologies. You may right-click on it and search for Open File Location option. So this will lead you to the special folder called Strength, and you will find a special executable file which is also called Strength. This adware is designed to deliver intrusive advertisement campaigns, and these adverts promote online scams, unreliable or harmful websites and software, and even malware. Some intrusive advertisements are capable of making downloads and even installation without the user's permission, if they are clicked. It has to be mentioned that any legitimate products encountered through these ads are most likely endorsed by scammers abusing their affiliate programs to obtain illegitimate commissions. Anyway, if you have discovered this strength adware, keep in mind that this is adware. This is not something decent. So you should undertake the measures and remove any malware from your system. First of all, you could carefully research the control panel in an attempt to uninstall any suspicious programs, but most likely you will not find any mentionings of this strength adware in the list. I recommend you to research your system and to remove this adware effectively with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.